I'm Sunny, your Korean study buddy. Today, let's dive into Korean markers adding meanings. Think of them as your survival kit for your Korean learning journey because they shape the nuances of your sentences and we cannot hardly talk in Korean without it. In the last segment, I will show you how each sentence is constructed so that learners of any level can join in. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Our first marker, 은 and 는, act like flashlights, highlighting contrasts and emphasizing certain points. 은 attaches to words ending in a consonant, while 는 is followed by words ending in a vowel. Here are some examples. Imagine you are planning a picnic with your Korean friend and they say, 날씨는 좋은데 일교차가 심해. It means today's weather is nice, but the temperature difference is significant. When visiting a Korean doctor for a cold, they might advise 차가운 음료는 피해주세요. This means you should avoid cold drinks. Our second marker, 만, acts like a knife, cutting out everything except what's necessary. It translates roughly to only or just in English. For example, when you ask your Korean friend what they did over the weekend, and they reply, 하루 종일 영화만 봤어. It means I watched only movies all day. If your friend is on a diet, they might say, 다이어트 중이라 요즘 샐러드만 먹어. It means that they are on a diet these days, so they are eating only salads. Let's move on to the next marker, 도, which acts like a list, adding something to what already exists. It indicates an addition or inclusion of another thing. For example, if your Korean friend says, 나는 야구도 좋아해, it means I also like baseball, implying they like other sports too. There are fruits in a grocery store. Saying this, you can say, 저기에 사과도 있고, 포도도 있어, meaning there are apples and grapes over there. Our last marker, 까지, acts like a ruler, marking the end of a certain range. It's usually used with time, area, and numbers. For instance, if your Korean teacher tells you to hand in your homework by tomorrow, they would say, 내일까지 숙제를 제출해 주세요, meaning please submit your homework by tomorrow. And when you ask your Korean friends how long it takes to get to a restaurant, they might say, 식당까지 차로 10분 정도 걸려, which translates to it takes about 10 minutes by car to the restaurant. In this segment, I will show you a chart demonstrating how each sentence is constructed and the meanings of words to help you understand each sentence. So far, we've covered some basic but essential marker usage. Korean markers can be challenging, but with practice you will get the hang of it. They will be your lifesaver on your Korean language journey. There are other types of markers that define a word's roles, such as subjects and objects, which are also crucial. If you are curious about them, check out my previous video. That's the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. 안녕.